I'm taking this rear tine rototiller apart. You can see it's just oozing water and stuff throughout the years. I don't know if they even use a sealer or anything. Just getting up in here. It's stuck in I guess it'd just be cultivate. I'm gonna take it apart. There's a lot of videos of them taking these things apart, and kind of looked at it and just started taking it apart. That's all you're gonna have to do to figure it out. First thing you have to do is pull off the rear. There's a whole bunch of carriage bolts. Take those off. You got to take some of the I can't remember what they're called. Spikes that dig in the ground. There's 2 bolts on the engine on this side. Everything comes off this left side. I'll probably have to take these 3 out and maybe loosen that up. You see, just throughout the years, they just fill up with water and stuff. And sitting here looking at this, might want to put that on something, but build something out of that. Have a gearbox for it to reverse. Why not? There's chains inside here that drive the rear tines and drive the wheels. It's actually pretty simple. Make a video when I have that thing apart.